Good morning, everyone. Myself Asma Parveen. Today's my topic is Iltutmish. His reign was 1211 to 1236 AD. We call them as the real founder of the we call them as the real founder of the Delhi Sultanate. Iltutmish was one of the able sultan of Delhi Sultanate. He was a Turk. He belongs to the famous Albari tribe of Central Asia. His brother grew jealous of his beauty, virtue, and intelligence and sold him as a slave to Jamaluddin. Later, he sold him to Qutbuddin at Delhi. He soon won the admiration of his master, became the governor of Gwalior and Bundel Shah in succession. Later, Qutbuddin gave his daughter in marriage to him and appointed him as the governor of Badaयूं. After the death of his master in 1210 AD, on the invitation of the nobles of Delhi, he deposed incompetent Aram Shah, the son of Qutbuddin Aibak, and usurped the throne. His problems. On his accession, the throne of Delhi was not a bed of roses. The kingdom was threatened not only by his vassals but also by his frontier and foreign rulers. His problems were the supporters of Aram Shah were trying to put an end to Iltutmish. Second, Ali Mardan Khan served his connections with Delhi became independent at Bengal. Third, Nasiruddin Kabacha of Sindh captured Multan and Uch. Fourth one is Tajuddin Yaldos of Ghazni was trying to occupy Delhi. The Rajputs of Chandelas, Pratiharas, Chauhans, etc., freed themselves from the control of the Delhi Sultan. Mongols started the invasions against India. His achievements. At first, he suppressed the supporters of Aram Shah and brought Delhi, Awadh, Badaun, Banaras, etc., under his effective control. Then, Yaldos of Ghazni. Driven out by Central Asian king Alauddin Muhammad from Ghazni, Yaldos took shelter in Lahore. Then Iltutmish inflicted a crushing defeat upon him in the Battle of Tarain in 1215 AD. Later, Yaldos was taken as a prisoner and put to death. Mongol invasions. The Mongols were the ferocious savages of Central Asia. They were famous for their cruelty and destruction. Under their leader, Timuchin, that means Genghis Khan, they ransacked China, Central Asia, and Western Asia. In Central Asia, they destroyed the empire of Alauddin Muhammad. The Kharazm Empire fled to Caspian Sea. His successor Jalaluddin Mangabarni fled to Punjab and sought the shelter of Iltutmish. Iltutmish refused to rescue Mangabari. In pursuit of management, Mongols Inda, reach Indus, but not penetrate due to the hot climate. After the return of Mongols, Mangabarni defeated Kabacha uh, Sindh, Punjab, and plundered his kingdom and went out to Persia. Thus, Iltutmish wisely averted the Mongols' attack of the India. Then Kabacha of Sindh. Taking advantage of the defeat of Kubacha of Sindh in hands of the Mangabarni, Iltutmish drove him away from Multan and Uch and exerted his dominion to the Delhi Sultanate. Bengal. After the death of Ali Mardan Khan, his successor Hisamuddin Iwas Khilji became independent at Bengal. The Iltutmish sent an expedition to Bengal under his son. Iwas was defeated and killed. Later, his sons Balka Khilji also revolted. He was also suppressed and killed by Iltutmish. Thus, Bengal and Bihar was brought once again under the control of the Delhi Sultanate. Then Rajputs. Rajputs, the Chandelas, Kalinga and Pratyaharas at Gwalior and Jhansi, the Chauhans at Jailor, Ajmer, and other places drove away. The Turks became independent. Iltutmish determined to recover these territories. He besieged Ranthambore, Ranthambore and reoccupied Mandosa. He captured Gwalior and carried on raids into Malwa, but his attempts to reduce the other Rajputs, Chalukyas of Gujarat, Chauhans of Bundi, and Chandelas of Kalinga, met with a failure. While he was directing a military expenditure to punish the Banya Rajputs, he died on the way in 1236 AD. Estimate By his victories campaigns, he restored the lost territories of the Delhi Sultanate. In this regard, he completed the work of his master Qutbuddin Aibak. By his strengthness, he saved the infant Delhi kingdom from Mongol peril. His political authority was also recognized by Khalifa. His achievements, he received the title aid of the commander of the faithful. That is why he was regarded as the real founder of the Delhi Sultanate. But he was not a great administrative genius. However, he introduced Arabic coinage in India. He was an Orthodox Muslim. He hated the other religions and destroyed the temples. The famous he completed the construction of the Qutub Minar at Delhi. It was it was named after the great hero Khara Qutbuddin of Baghdad. He was also a patron of learning. Thank you. अरे destroy करे सब